Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with my brand new Microsoft Surface Duo because I had to get a second one. So this just came in the mail the other day. I just opened it up today so I could make this video because my Microsoft Surface Duo had a problem. I was looking at it the other day and I realized that it's slightly defective, and I can't tell if it has to do with the hinge or if it has to do with the material itself, but it is slightly bowed out on the screen here. So I was just kind of looking at it, playing with my phone, and I was looking, I'm like, that doesn't look right. Now it's very, very difficult to see, especially showing it on the camera, but you can see right here in the video, if you see them side by side, you can see that the bottom one is okay and is completely straight and flat across, and the top one seems slightly, maybe a little bulged or bent, deformed, whatever you want to call it. It's just not right. And that to me is not cool for a $1,399 phone. So no drama, no sweat, no big deal. I contacted them and I'm like, hey, I think this is defective. I mean, I've only had it at the house for the last 2 weeks. I've hardly left the house. It hasn't even really been in my pocket. Like, this is clearly not something that I did to the phone. And they've got a 60-day return policy with the phone, so I'm like, hey, I want to initiate a return on this so I can get another one. Well, they told me, well, you can do that, and that's perfectly fine, but you're going to have to send it in, and it's going to take us like 2 weeks to examine it, and then we'll send you another one. I'm like, well, shoot, I'm going to be without my phone for that long. Is there any way you can do it faster? And they said, no, the only thing you can really do is just buy another one and have it sent out to you, and then return this one. I'm like, okay, cool. Well, we'll go ahead and do that then. I was actually able to do it over the phone. The Microsoft Surface people were pretty helpful with that. And, I asked, I was like, hey, can you give me like, a little bit off of it maybe, since this one is defective and I got to order another one and I got to buy a whole other one to have it sent out. They're like, no, the best thing we can do is give you free expedited shipping. I'm like, well, I would hope so, because I paid for expedited shipping on the first one you sent me that's defective. So I ended up paying the exact same price, getting the exact same phone, and now I have one that's clearly not defective. So this one is okay. I'm going to keep an eye on it. I don't know if maybe it's like some battery bulge that's messed it up. Maybe it's a bad battery that's in there. I don't really know what's wrong with it. I'm sure Microsoft will figure it out once I get it sent back in. And of course, it's not like they're going to send me a report to tell me what was wrong with it. But clearly, there's something wrong with it. It's an issue. Thankfully, the Surface team guys helped me out. It really wasn't that big of a deal. I did have to wait on hold for like 30 minutes to finally get a hold of somebody, but then they walk you through the process. They send you a confirmation email that you can contact them at any time during the process, and you have a dedicated representative that's helping you. So I was impressed by that, but got the new Surface Duo here. I'm excited about that. I do like the phone so far, even though it's buggy, even though it has issues. I got to go ahead and set this one up, which is whatever. First world problems, I know. But I'm still going to keep giving this a whirl. I'm still going to make some content on it. My full review will be coming out next week, having used it for the last 2 weeks now, and I can tell you about all the wholesome goodness and all the unwholesome not goodness with the phone. But got the new one. If any of y'all are having similar issues, I figured I'd go ahead and make this video just to tell you all about the process, tell you that I did have an issue with mine, and hopefully it doesn't turn out to be a big thing. I'm not trying to make this a big thing. I just wanted to let y'all know that it happened and I got a new one that I had to order. So that's all I've got in this video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. If you enjoy the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.